When you first land on the Blackcatcard website, you're greeted with a clean and somewhat minimalist interface. It doesn't feel too flashy, which might be a good sign for users looking for functionality over hype. The site immediately promotes its promise of combining a fully fledged European IBAN account with the ability to use cryptocurrencies via MasterCard. There's an emphasis on convenience and modern digital banking, but once you start exploring, things get a bit more complex. Signing up was relatively smooth. Standard identity verification steps, upload of documents, and a waiting period that can vary. In my case, it took about 48 hours. Once inside the dashboard, the layout is user-friendly, with tabs for account overview, card management, crypto services, and customer support. However, the site has some noticeable delays in loading times, especially when navigating between crypto-related functions. This might be frustrating for users expecting a more seamless fintech experience. The card itself is issued by a licensed European financial institution, which is good for credibility. You receive both a virtual and physical card, and delivery is fairly quick. There are no monthly fees for standard users, which is a major plus. You can top up your card using SEPA transfers, other crypto wallets, or even other cards, though fees apply, and they're not clearly stated upfront in some cases, which could catch new users off guard. Crypto services are available directly in the app and website. You can buy, sell, and store assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few others. The interface is simple enough, but it's missing some features more advanced users might want, like real-time charts or advanced order types. Conversion fees from crypto to fiat hover around 2.5%, which is competitive, but again, not always displayed transparently. There's also a cashback feature, but it's limited and comes with requirements that aren't immediately obvious. Customer support is only available via chat or email, and while I received responses within 24 hours, they were generic and didn't always resolve the issues I was asking about. That could be a concern if you run into serious trouble. Many useful links you can find in the description. One thing I like was the ability to hold both fiat and crypto in the same interface. It feels modern and efficient. But when you try to move funds between wallets or cash out to your IBAN account, there are occasional delays and manual checks that slow things down. The site claims to support instant transfers in some cases, but in practice, expect standard wait times similar to any regular bank. Security-wise, Blackcatcard employs 2FA encryption and compliance with European financial regulations, which is reassuring. However, users should be cautious and avoid storing large amounts of crypto in the built-in wallet, as it lacks the transparency of cold storage or third-party audits. In summary, Blackcatcard Card delivers a decent crypto-to-fiat solution for everyday users, especially those in Europe looking for an alternative banking experience with crypto capabilities. However, it's not without its flaws, including unclear fee structures, occasional slow processing, and average customer service. It works, but whether it's the best solution depends on your specific use case. If you're looking for a simple way to bridge your crypto with traditional spending, this card could be worth checking out. But go in with clear expectations, and always double-check the fine print. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this one.